Renault unveils revamped Clio with major facelift and Esprit Alpine version. Renault has unveiled a significant mid-cycle update for its best-selling supermini, the Clio. The French automaker aims to keep the model fresh and competitive against segment rivals like the Volkswagen Polo, Skoda Fabia, and Ibiza. The fifth-generation Clio, launched just over 4 years ago, now sports a completely redesigned front featuring slimmer headlights and a wider grille with a checkerboard pattern. As a nod to the Renault logo, the new Clio's daytime running lights are shaped like half of an upright rhombus. The company has also reintroduced clear taillights in the design. The Esprit Alpine, a flagship trim replacing the RS line, showcases one of 6 available diffuser designs depending on the trim level and powertrain. The 2024 Clio boasts a wider choice of powertrains than any other car in its category. The highlight is the 145 horsepower E-Tech full hybrid, which combines driving pleasure with savings, emitting as little as 93 grams of CO2 per kilometer and achieving 4.1 liters per 100 kilometers. Renault also offers a 3-cylinder turbo engine running on compressed natural gas and a diesel version in the form of the Blue DCI 100 unit. The interior now features sustainable materials, replacing leather upholstery with TEP, a material made from organic and polyester fibers. The digital instrument cluster is available in 7 and 10-inch sizes, while the touchscreen comes in 7 and 9.3-inch configurations. The infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, built-in navigation, a 360-degree camera, and 20 driver assistance systems. Renault offers the Clio with 5-wheel designs, all featuring the latest corporate logo in brushed aluminum. Paint options include Arctic White, Platinum Gray, Black Pearl Black, Iron Blue, Dacia Red, Valencia Orange, and the new Tri-Coat Rafale Gray. The Clio's powertrain lineup starts with a naturally aspirated 1-liter engine, followed by a turbo 1-liter engine, and the flagship Clio E-Tech full hybrid 145. The new Renault Clio aims to continue its legacy of success as a versatile, stylish, and efficient city car. With an updated design, advanced technology, and a wide range of powertrain options, the Clio is poised to maintain its position as a category leader in Europe and a favorite among customers around the world. The new Clio is available in various trims, including the Esprit Alpine trim, which adds a sporty, techy, and classy look to the vehicle. The Esprit Alpine features a shark fin antenna, sportier front seats with better lateral support, and 6 available diffuser designs, depending on the trim level and powertrain. Its redesigned front fascia and reworked interior showcase Renault's commitment to continuous improvement, ensuring that the Clio remains a top choice for customers seeking a versatile and stylish city car. The introduction of the Esprit Alpine trim demonstrates Renault's dedication to innovation and meeting the diverse needs of its customer base. By combining sporty aesthetics, advanced technology, and a comfortable driving experience, the Esprit Alpine trim adds another layer of appeal to an already successful model lineup. The new Clio is a testament to the brand's ability to adapt and innovate to maintain its position in the competitive city car market. With its striking design, enhanced technology, and diverse powertrain options, the Clio is set to remain a favorite among customers for years to come. This new iteration of the iconic city car perfectly embodies the spirit of the Renaulution, making it a true symbol of progress and versatility for drivers worldwide. The 2024 Renault Clio showcases the brand's dedication to continuous improvement and innovation, ensuring its ongoing success in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.